Hello, I am Vidyut here, your friend, philosopher, and guide. Welcome to day 3 of the course. In past life regression, basically, you are regressed or taken back to your past. Now, why should anyone be taken back to his or her past? Often we have some blockages in our mind. How much ever we try, we cannot find a reason for this blockage, nor any solution. Now, these blockages create problems in our mental, physical, or financial peace and growth. So, our present journey is not smooth. Whatever we are and we have in today is a direct outcome of what we thought, we did, and what we were in our past. Now, there are three types of regression. The first one is the recent past. If someone goes through a relationship breakup or faces a financial loss or has lost a near and dear one in the recent past, then that has a negative effect on the mind. These recent past events are easier to determine and cure. The second type of regression is childhood. Knowingly or unknowingly, some thoughts and beliefs are fed into our mind when we are young and small, and we carry these for our lifetime. But some of these fed ideas may be troubling us. It may have left a kind of sorrow or guilt or fear in our subconscious mind, and that affects our current thoughts and actions also. Hence, it is very important to pinpoint these and then erase them from our mind permanently. And if we can't get any answer or solution by the first two methods, then we have to use the third type, past life regression. We take you, or rather, we guide you to go yourself to your that birth in which lies the cause of your current problem or sorrow or fear or guilt or failure. Many people are scared of doing PLR, but believe me, if the teacher is good, then it's the most beautiful experience and solution for unexplained issues. Once again, I insist that you all please keep practicing visualization. Catch up with you tomorrow. Thank you and bye bye.